Here. Well, folks, we have bought a brand new 2024 Nissan Titan Pro 4X 4x4. Had to replace our 21 Titan that was lost in a car accident that me and my wife survived. So I just want to take a quick video of it before we take it home. And this is it right here. It's raining out here. I'm gonna go back inside. It's raining. I can't believe it. August 30th, 2024. Bought a brand new 24 Nissan Titan, replacing our 21. Nice color. At Peoria Nissan. They did us good. Made the deal. Decent deal. They wanted $60,000 out the door. We got it down to just under 54. So thank you, Peoria Nissan. And we'll be talking about the truck later. All right, finally going home. Brand new 2024 Nissan Titan Pro 4X. Going home. That's where we got it from. Good night.